Everything!
Seagull!
When spring arrived, everything changed. The ice melted on the lake. Flowers were around the lake. When spring arrived, everything changed. Swan, swan, learn something. Everyone is beautiful, sure thing. The gray duck was beautiful. Now he is also beautiful. The gray duck saw the swans again. They were swimming in the lake. Wow! They were so beautiful, I will go to them. They might laugh at me, but I want to be near them. Swan, swan, learn something. Everyone is beautiful, sure thing. The gray duck was beautiful. Now he is also beautiful. Something amazing happened. The swans did not laugh. Wow! With a smile, they looked at him. They swam around him. Why are they not laughing at me? He looked at himself in the water. Swan, swan, learn something. Everyone is beautiful, sure thing. The gray duck was beautiful. Now he is also beautiful. He was no longer a gray duck. His feathers were white. Wow! His neck was long and graceful. He was beautiful. He was not an ugly duck. He became a swan. Swan, swan, learn something. Everyone is beautiful, sure thing. The gray duck was beautiful. Now he is also beautiful.
Seagull! Beautiful!